Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel ERPZEN. In today's video, we will see how we can create foreign currency invoice and process the payment for that foreign currency invoice. First, you have to configure foreign exchange rates in daily rates, and at bank account level, you have to enable a flag called multi-currency account and create a foreign currency invoice in any desired currency. And in our example, we'll go with INR. Process the payment in foreign currency. Verify and do create account. So this is the process. Now let's jump into the system and check how we can do this. And before, we are having three types of daily rates. Corporate rate. If organization is using rate at a particular day, it is called as daily rate, but it is only for one day. Daily rate means if organization is using rate at particular day, it is called it is only for one day. Spot rate means it is ideally used in stock exchanges and it is known as spot rate. Corporate means we will define exchange rate for one particular period of time, so that is called as corporate rate. Now let us see how to define the corporate rates. Click on setup and maintenance, setup financials. Now search for the task called manage daily rates. Click on manage daily rates. Click on daily rates. Now from currency USD to currency INR, let us see the rates are available or not first before we define. Rate type corporate. Hit search. The rates are available and 95. If you want to create daily rates, you need to click on create in spreadsheet. Click on enable editing. Say yes. Enter your login credentials. Now from currency USD to currency INR, conversion rate take corporate. From conversion, take 01/05/2026 to conversion date. What is the date? 31st. 31/05/2026. Now it will overwrite the date. Say 100 rupees. Now click on, if you are in home page, click on create daily rates. Now click on submit button. Now system will run a program. Import and calculate daily rates. 120,90467. Let us jump into the system and see what is the program that system has run at backend. See, this is the program that automatically triggered by system. Import and calculate daily rates. Now let us see the daily rates. Click on setup and maintenance. Manage daily rates. Click on task open daily rates from currency USD to currency INR, from date from May 1st 2026 31st corporate. Now hit search. See, system has overridden the previous rates. Previously it is 95 and now it is 100. Now click on done. Now create payables invoice in foreign currency. To do that, click on payables. Under quick actions, click on create invoice. Yeah. Now ERPZEN. Search your supplier. Now before doing that, we have to enable our currency, multi-currency account. Search for the task called manage bank accounts. Search for your bank account. Click on edit icon. Now here you can check the flag called multi-currency account, and our ledger currency, since our ledger currency is USD, our bank account is processing payments only in USD account, in USD currency. Since we are transacting in a different currency, so you have to enable this flag called multi-currency account. Click on save and close. Now we will create invoice. Click on payables, click on create invoice. Now search for your supplier. ERPZEN Dell supplier number foreign. Say the amount. You have to select the foreign currency INR. Say 10,000 INR and standard. Enter the line information 10,000 and click on show more, and payment currency is also INR. And select the distribution code combination. Hit OK. Now validate the invoice. The invoice is validated. Foreign currency invoice was done. Click on save and close. Now we will process the payment for this. Click on payables, click on payments, click on task list or task pane. Now click on create payment. Now select your supplier, ERPZEN supplier. Select your bank account. Since we have enabled the checkbox, system is allowing to override the default currency. Select INR. Now select your payment process profile. that level we only enabled US currency. We will set for INR as well. Click on setup and maintenance. Say yes. Search for the task called manage payment process profile. Click on manage payment process profiles. Search for your payment process profile. Yep. Click on edit. Currencies, we have set only US dollar. Click on add. Select INR as well. Say save and close. But naturally we should not use this payment process profile because it is for check, but for the time being, for this demonstration, I am using this one. Click on payments. Click on task list or task pane. Now click on create payment. Since it is a foreign currency invoice, we will not issue any check. We will use electronic as a payment method or wire as a payment method. Select your supplier. ERPZEN supplier. Select your disbursement bank account. Select INR. Now select your payment process profile. Select the payment document. But in real time you should not use check as a payment method because it is an international payment, and for international payments we will not issue checks. We will process the payment through electronic payment method or wire payment method. For this demonstration purpose, I am selecting the payment method as check. Now click on select and add. See, the foreign currency is involved. The foreign currency invoice we are able to see. Select the record and click on apply and OK. Now say save and close. This is how we create and process payments for foreign currency invoices. Now click on task pane or task list. Now click on manage payments. Search with your payment number. Click on search. Open. And in paid invoices, you can see what are all the invoices that are paid. And in the conversion rates, you can see what is the conversion rate that is used, and what is the conversion rate, and what is the ledger amount. You can see. And in payment details, you can see all the details, from which bank account we have paid, what is the payment method, what is the payment process profile and all, and what is the payment document and all. Click on done, and if you observe, the payment status is negotiable. Click on done. Click on home. This is how we create a foreign currency invoice and process payments to foreign currency invoices. If you found the video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to our channel ERPZEN for more Oracle Fusion tutorials. Drop your questions in comments below. Thank you very much.